Hi there, welcome to this Spokephone tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to add a new user to your Spokephone account. First, log into your account at account.spokephone.com/login. Remember, this is for admin access, so use your admin credentials. Enter your company email and password to sign in. Once logged in, navigate to the Users section and click Manage Users. Select Add Users. Then enter the user's first name, last name, and email address. Optionally, you can add a country and phone number. Please note, the email, first and last names are mandatory. The rest is optional. Click Send Invite to email them an invitation. Once accepted, they can easily log in to the Spokephone app. To bulk upload users to Spokephone, start by going to the Upload Users section. This feature allows you to add multiple users at once, saving you from manually entering each one. You can upload a list containing names, emails, job titles, and user roles for as many users as you need. Alternatively, you can import data from a file. Supported formats include CSV, TSV, or TXT files. Just select your file, upload it, and you're done.